Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Virgos. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys. Virgos, what's coming up? Virgos, with these cards, I feel your person is loyal to you guys. You may be doubting them. You may have few things to clarify with them, but no need, guys. Your person, the cards are giving out the energy. The person you're with, they are very loyal to you. Okay, you both share a good understanding, and your communication is really good. And you may be charmed by the looks of this person. What to say? You may feel very much attracted in your relationship. Okay, you may feel this attraction with this person, or they may feel very much attracted to you. That is also the energy here. uh, you may feel they are very sweet and innocent and very loving towards you. Okay, and you may be in for a long term commitment with this person. You may both of you may share what to say, good reputation, good ancestry. Okay, and you have a very intimate, passionate relationship. So that is also the energy here. So for some of you all, you may have certain uncertainties in your relationship. Okay, so about certain things you may not have the clarity, but there's no need for you to doubt, guys. That is the energy I'm getting here. This relationship has a blessing. You will have what to say, emotional and emotional fulfillment in this relationship, guys. You will feel loved, and you will feel cared for. You will feel the stability and what to say, good energy in this relationship, guys. And that is the thing here with these cards. That is the energy I'm seeing here. Okay, and some of you all, you may uh, be moving together. Okay, you may plan to move in together. Okay, guys, that uh, that may also happen in near future, and this connection is destined, guys. It may be karmic relationship. Okay, so you would have felt you knew this person already. Okay, so that is also the energy here. For some of you all, you may feel certain ordeals or certain kind of sacrifices you need to make for this relationship. Okay, but overall it is a very positive energy, guys. Some of you all may be growing spiritually and emotionally. That is what these cards are denoting. Okay, and your relationship stands for intimacy, purity, and good harmony. Okay, and you have a good attraction also between each other. So that is the energy here. You help each other in this relationship. You have a very good bonding, and you benefit each other's company. That is also the energy I'm getting here, Virgos. So you can give up the doubt you have in your heart regarding certain minor things, and you can go forward with this relationship, guys. That is the energy I'm getting here. Okay, you have unconditional love and loyalty in this relationship, guys. That is the energy. So let me pick out 3 more cards from the other deck. Let's see what's coming up. Cherish innocence. Be discerning. Check your emotions. With these cards, I feel you have to what to say, check your spontaneous responses, okay, emotional reactions to any situation today. So you just need to take in the suggestions from the other person, okay, whatever your person is saying. This may be, this energy may be vice versa, guys. This may be your person's energy towards you. Okay, whatever the energy you have, some kind of anger or anything, okay, negative or positive, you just have to give it a pause, think for a few minutes, and then go about, okay, then express. When we do that in a balanced way, okay, it is very beneficial in our relationship in the long run, guys. And you can go in for what to say, you can keep aside all the past experiences, okay, burdens you had in the past, and enjoy the simple pleasures of the present day, okay. You can enjoy what is happening today, and you have to clearly understand what are the choices you have to reach your goals, guys. It may not be a big one. Some small decision also affects how we reach our goals. So you need to be sure what are your goals and how to reach them, and you have to base your everyday choices on that. Okay, Virgo, so that is the energy I'm getting here. So just enjoy the present day, just enjoy the happenings of today, okay, and keep an open mind, forget all the burdens you had, just go out and enjoy life with your person. I feel you don't have to harbor doubt about them. If you do, you can just openly speak it out without any argument. You can sit and talk with them, have a open talk about what you feel in your mind instead of just blurting out and being emotional. You can quietly speak to them about how you feel about the relationship and what you are thinking in your mind, and you will both get clarity regarding the situation. So you have to avoid being emotional, but at the same time You can clear your doubts if you listen to the other person. So you have to give them chance to speak their heart, guys. That is the energy I'm getting here, Virgos. Hope you like the reading, guys. So that's all for today, Virgos. Thanks for watching, guys. If this reading resonated with you all, please comment, like and share my video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, Virgos.